Hello viewers, welcome to Gani SK YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain you how to create pad footing with reinforcement in Tekla structures. Okay, let's start. Open your Tekla structures with US environment. Now we're going to create the pad footing. So click on concrete, tab, and under footing, select this pad footing. Pick the position to create the pad footing. Now pad footing is created. Right click on mouse interrupt. Now we're going to edit this pad footing. So double click on this pad footing. From this profile, you can adjust the size of this pad footing, width and length. For example, click on here. By default, we have the 70 inches. Now we're going to edit this to 80 inches. Let's take 90 inches. Click on apply, OK. Click on modify to see the result. You can see the pad footing is increased. Similar like that, you can change this profile as per your requirement. Now you can adjust the level of this pad footing from this option. Top level, currently we have -2 feet. You can increase or reduce this level, top level. For example, we're going to take -1 feet. And bottom level, let's take -3 feet. Then click on modify to see the result like this. Similarly like that, you can adjust the top level and bottom level of this footing from these two options. Okay. Now click on close this window. Now we're going to apply the reinforcement for this pad footing. So click on here application and components, and in under search box type here pad, P-A-D, pad. Now click on here to show hidden items. Now we have the pad footing reinforcement component here, 77. Click on this component and click on this pad to apply the reinforcement to this pad footing. Unclose this window. Right click on mouse, interrupt to exit the command. By default, we have the reinforcement of this pad footing like this. Now we're going to edit this reinforcement. So double click on this reinforcement. Okay, click on this primary bar. Now we're going to change this reinforcement. So we're going to increase this side reinforcement. So click on here and let's take 1.5 feet. And here also 1.5 feet. Click on modify to see the result. Similarly like that, we are going to increase this side also. Click on secondary bar and enter here 1.5 feet, and here also 1.5 feet. Click on modify to see the result, just like this. Okay. Now click on this primary bar picture. From this option, you can adjust the height of this bars from the edge. You can adjust the spacing. So let's take here 2 inches. Click on modify to see the result. You can see now this spacing should be 2 inches. Similarly, you can adjust this spacing also. This spacing also. By default, we have the 2 inches. So now we're going to change into the 3 inches. Then click on modify to see the result. You can see now this spacing should be 3 inches. You can adjust this side also. Enter here 3 inches. Click on modify. You can see now this side should be 3 inches. Now back to change into 2 inches instead of 3 inches. Then click on modify to see the result. Like that, you can adjust the spacing from these two options. This is the primary bar options. This is the secondary bar options. We have the edge distances. Okay. Now click on this primary bar. This color indicates the primary bar, and this color indicates the secondary bar. For primary bar size, you can adjust from here. Currently we have the size 6. Click on here to edit the size. Click on here. Let's take size 8. then click on OK. Click on modify to see the result. You can see now size increased. For secondary bars, click on here secondary bar and click on here, and let's take 8, size 8. Click on OK. Click on modify to see the result. Now size increased. You can see like this. Now click on primary bar. You can adjust the spacing for primary bar. For example, you can see currently we have the spacing between the two primary bars are 1 inch. If you want to change, you can change from here. For example, we're going to take 8 inches. Click on modify to see the result. You can see now the primary bar spacing should be 8 inches like this. Okay, let's, for example, you can use the counting also. For example, you can see now currently we have the primary bars are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you want to place the primary bars with the number, then click on here and select this number of bars, and let's take 6 bars, then click on modify to see the result. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that you can use the number of bars instead of using the space. If you want to use the space, then select this spacing, then enter here 1 feet, then click on modify to see the result. Now the spacing should be 1 feet. Okay, currently we have the spacing of this primary bar is the 1 feet 6 inches. Now we're going to change into 1 feet 7 inches to equal the spacing height of this secondary bar and primary bar. Then click on modify. You can see like that you can change the height of this primary bar side leg. Similarly, you can change the spacing of the secondary bar 1 feet and everything with the same procedure. You can change the grade from here, the primary and secondary bar grade. Okay, that's it about this primary and secondary bar editing. Now we're going to do the laser bar. So click on this laser bar. Currently we don't have any laser bar at here. To create the laser bar, then click on here and select S, then click on modify to see the result. You need to select this reinforcement, then click on modify to see the result like this. You can see now we have the reinforcement like this. You can see now we have this side laser bars lapping at here this side and this side according to this option. If you want to change, then click on here and let's take this option, then click on modify to see the result. Now we have the lapping only one side at here. You can change these options from this option. Let's take this option, click on modify to see the result. Select this reinforcement, then click on modify to update the result like this. Now we have lapping this side and this side also. If you want to change this size of this laser bar, then click on here. Let's take size 5, then click on OK. Click on modify to see the result like this. Okay, you can adjust the height of this laser bars from this option. You can see now currently we have starting height 4 inches from edge to this one, and second one height maximum end height is the 1 feet. If you want to increase, you can increase. For example, let's take 1 feet 4 inches, then click on modify. You can see now this increased from here to here 1 feet 4 inches, and this spacing should be 4 inches. For example, if you want to increase the number of bars, reduce spacing at here to increase the number of bars. Let's take 5-inch spacing, then click on modify. You can see now we have number of bars are 3, like this. Based upon the spacing, the number of bars also increased. For example, let's take 3-inch spacing, then click on modify. You can see number of bars are increased. Like that you can change as per your requirement, then click on modify to see the result like this. Okay, then click on modify, apply. Okay, that's it about how to create pad footing with reinforcement in Tekla structures. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like this tutorial, please like it and share it. For more Tekla structure related tutorials, please go to my channel, youtube.com/GhaniSK. I will provide this link in the description below of this video. Please go through it and come here. Please click on subscribe button. If you subscribe, you will get notification or updates when uploading a new video. So please click on subscribe. Okay, thank you.